What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're going to be doing part 2 of this commercial pressure washing job recap. If you guys did miss part 1, we washed the walkways around the building, the roof, as well as the brick around the building. And I told you guys that we were going to be doing a part 2 to take a look at all the parking lot striping that we did. As well as in this video, we're going to be talking about something that can get you fired by the customer and never called back again. So make sure you guys stick around for that. But before we get into that, I do want to mention that if you guys are curious how I land jobs like this using Facebook ads, check out the first link in the comment section and the description. That is going to be a link to the Local Domination course, the #1 selling pressure washing business course in the world. It's going to help you to get your pressure washing business started or take you to the next level. I also want to mention that we're going to be giving away one free ticket to WashCon, our live event that we're holding on February 11th through the 13th. If you guys want more information on that, check out the links in the comment section description as well. I'll be sure to put some more information down there if you just want to buy a ticket outright. But if you want to win one, second link in the comment section and the description. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and hop into today's video. So recently I've been making a lot of shorts. I'm not sure if you guys have been seeing them. They're basically just short little videos shot vertically about pressure washing. It just is a cool way for me to offer little tidbits of information in a much shorter, quicker format, and a lot of people seem to really like those. I actually made 2 shorts on the job that we're going to be taking a look at today, and the first one was about the company that came before us and how they were fired by the customer and never called back again. I don't know the whole story on that. There's a couple of circumstances that could have happened. The owner of the building could have gone with maybe the cheapest quote that he got, or he could have told them within the quoting process that they didn't need to hit behind the wheel wells and they could miss a couple spots. I'm not sure what the case was. All I know is that the message of today's video is to never accept a job where your work is going to be sacrificed in order to make a profit, because basically your work is going to speak for your business. It's going to speak volumes for your business. And if you're going out doing bad jobs just to land them, just to do them, it's never going to be a good way to go. There's a reason why he didn't call that company back out to do all the cleaning and the parking lot striping, either because they did a bad job or he went too cheap on the quote. Whatever the case may be, make sure that the work you're doing is quality and never sacrifice your work in order to make a profit. That's the main message of today's video. The second short that I made was about us actually doing the parking lot striping, and I got a couple funny comments on there. First and foremost was people commenting about Kale actually striping in sandals, and it was funny. The day that I went out there to do the job with him, I mentioned to him that he was probably going to get some backlash on the fact that he was wearing sandals, and he did. So now that's his thing. Every parking lot striping job we do, I'm going to make sure that he's wearing sandals for that. The other thing was a lot of people said we need to get a striping machine. Well, striping machines are actually pretty expensive. This was our first job, and we just thought it would be easier to go ahead and tape out all the lines, roll them out. It would be more straightforward, and it would just kind of get our feet wet before we go out and actually buy a machine. But we have been getting some inquiries on doing some other jobs with regards to parking lot striping, commercial parking lots. So we are going to be looking into getting a machine here very soon. And the last thing that people were commenting on was the fact that we made a ton of money parking lot striping within a very little amount of time. And that's one thing that people don't really understand, especially you got people who work for like $7 an hour watching a video where we make like $800 in 3 hours. They don't understand all the costs that go into owning your own business, starting your own business, insurance, equipment, the risk that you take, as well as how much it costs to actually get in front of the customer. So whenever you have a lot of risk involved, there's a lot higher of a reward rather than us just going in and clocking in every day at a job. So that was just a couple of the funny comments that we got back on that little striping video. A couple of other things that I want to mention is the fact that we are going to be getting a striping machine here soon, as well as we've actually been landing jobs off of these TikTok short style videos. We landed a roof wash that we did today. We landed another commercial roof wash that we're going to do later on this week, and we actually landed an apartment complex that we're going to be quoting here shortly. So some super cool stuff coming from the shorts and coming from just messing around making these short little style videos. So I hope you guys are enjoying those. If you have any that you want to see, leave them down in the comment section. All in all, this job was very straightforward. We got it done quicker than we thought, and it was a little bit easier than we thought, actually. So we're going to be looking to do a lot more striping here soon. If you guys have any questions with regards to striping, leave those down in the comment section, and I'll try to answer those in the next video. The word of the day for this video is going to be stripe. So if you made it this far in the video, comment down below stripe, and I'll hashtag you a real one. I'll also be doing recaps on all the videos that we're landing off of TikTok. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And if you're interested in any of those links that I mentioned earlier, check out the first, second, and third links in the comment section description. But if you take anything away from this video, don't ever sacrifice your work in order to make a profit. Always, your word is your bond, and so is your work. So let your work speak for itself. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.